Good afternoon, dear students.
Myself Gracie. I am taking English subject for you all. Dear children, do you all like English? Yes, we all like English because it is a most spoken language. Knowing English increase your chances of getting job. Is it, children? So it has been most popular language in the world. It will help us to communicate with others and to face some interviews. Dear students, now let us go for the lesson. Today the first lesson is the sentence. Dear students, first I am going to tell you how many letters are there in English alphabet. 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Can you see, students, that I wrote some of the letters on the board. These letters are separate, but these are group of letters. It won't give complete meaning. Only thing that these letters are meaningless. Now what we have to do to make a word with meaningful group of words? Dear children, I have written some group of words on the board. Can you see the words? P-A-R-K, park, G-I-R-L, girl, R-O-S-E, rose, M-A-N, man, K-I-N-G, king, etc. Now these are meaningful and they have meaning. Is it, children? When I say man, we can make out what it is. When I say king, we can make out what it is. Is it? So these words are meaningful and they have meaning. So these group of words will make a sentence. Dear students, here the meaning of the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Now, dear children, I have written some group of words here. Red, flower, is, the. These group of words will not give complete meaning. Is it, children? Is it meaningful? No, these are group of words are not meaningful. So what we have to do to complete a sentence? Now let us go to arrange the words to get a complete sentence. See, children, the flower is red. Is it? The flower is red. Now we can make out the color of the flower. It gives complete meaning. Means it is a full sentence. After the sentence, always we should not forget to put a full stop. Open your textbook, everyone. Open page number 1. Keep the finger that where I am going to read. Lesson number 1. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words making complete sense. Is it, children? Before only I said what is a sentence. Sentence gives us complete meaning. Look at the following group of words. Boys are going to school. She sang a sweet song. Misha is my best friend. Please lend me your book. These 4 sentences gives us complete meaning. Is it, children? Now calm down. Sometimes we can say sentence in just one word. There are some sentences which we can use in one word. For example, stop, come, sit, look. When, for example, just think that one boy is running. When I say him to stop, he will stop running. Is it? He can understand that what word I used and what he has to do. Second one is come. When I call someone here, come, he is ready to come from there to here. Third one is sit. When I say you to sit, you can understand. Everybody will sit. Understood, students? Now, these all are full meaning. We are calling sentences. Now, what we will call when the sentence is there in half meaning, half sense, we call it phrase. Students, what we will call? We call it phrase. Phrase is a group of words which make some sense but not complete sense. Dear students, don't get confused. Phrase is a group of words, but it is not giving full meaning. It is giving half meaning, half sense. For example, in the box. Dear students, in the box, this is not a complete sentence because not a full meaning. So, here we have to add subject to make a complete sentence. What we have to write here? The book is in the box. Is it, students? The book is in the box. Now it is a complete sentence. Where it gives half meaning, it is a phrase. Where it gives complete meaning, it is a sentence. Now see the book. Some of the phrases given in the textbook. See the textbook. Now look at the following group of words. In the morning, after an hour, on the table, with my brother. These all the words, these all the not complete sense. These all have half sense. For example, in the morning, no meaning for that. So what you have to add subject to complete that sentence. I got up in the morning. I got up in the morning. Is it, children? Is it clear? Yes. It gives full meaning. We had here subject. Now, second one, after an hour. I read after an hour. Third one, on the table. You can add anything. The pen is on the table. The book is on the table. The cat is on the table. Anything you can add to complete the sentence. With my brother. This is also not a full sentence. This is a half sentence. So what we have to do? We have to add subject. Can you say what you have to add to subject to complete this? I play with my brother. I ran with my brother. I run with my brother. Is it, children? These, we are calling this phrase.